We're recording. Hi, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you. So we're going to be doing a 24-hour recall. So if you could just tell me and remember everything you ate within the last 24 hours. We'll go into more detail, time, place, and then we'll try to get as much information as we can from your diet history.
Perfect.
All right. So what is the first thing that you had when you wake up?
I always start out with 2 cups of coffee, about 8 ounces with just a little bit, maybe like a tablespoon of whole milk.
All right. And around what time is that?
Always 6 o'clock because my coffee pot goes off at that time.
All right. And you just have it at home, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Anything else in the morning?
Usually right before I go for a walk, I'll make myself a fresh juice.
And what is in that juice?
I always do 2 apples, an orange, and a stalk of celery.
All right. And you juice this yourself, correct?
Yes.
All right. And do you know about how big that glass is usually?
It's about, I would say about 12 ounces.
All right. And what time is this at?
It's around 7:30.
And again, in your house, correct?
Yep.
All right. And do you have anything else in the morning for breakfast or snacks?
Well, my main breakfast, right before I start work, I do an Orgain vegan protein shake. It's 14 ounces, and I add some almond milk and ice and throw it in the blender.
All right. And is it flavored?
It's chocolate. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And around what time do you have this?
That's around 9:30.
Okay. All right. And do you have any snacks in between breakfast and lunch?
No.
And what was your lunch yesterday?
Yesterday I had a grilled cheese sandwich on whole wheat bread with a half avocado.
Okay. Did you put any butter, anything like that on it?
No.
All right. And then anything else in the afternoon?
Well, I had lunch around 1,
Okay.
and then around 3:30 I made myself a cup of herbal chamomile tea and about 3 cups of pop chips.
And is there anything in the tea? Honey, sugar?
No.
All right. And around, you said 3:30, correct?
Yep.
All right.
And it was just the plain salted pop chips.
Thank you. And then anything else to eat or drink?
Just water.
All right. And what did you have for dinner?
Dinner, we had chicken breast on the grill with a little bit of barbecue sauce. We just used plain Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I steamed broccoli. I probably ate about a cup of broccoli. I just added a little bit of salt to that.
Okay.
And then I made, I chopped up potatoes and onions, and I drizzled it with some olive oil.
And about how many potatoes do you think you had?
I would say about the size of like one whole
One whole potato.
potato.
And what about an onion?
That's about a quarter of an onion.
And just an estimate, how much olive oil?
I would say like 2 or 3 tablespoons.
Okay. And then did you have any, what time was that around? Sorry.
I think we ate around 6:45.
And did you have anything before you went to bed?
Yes, because it was Labor Day weekend. We celebrated. We went out for ice cream.
That
and
sounds good.
I got a large cup of chocolate chip mint ice cream.
All right. Any extras on that ice cream?
Toppings? No.
Yes, toppings. No. All right. And is that it?
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.